You are watching NNC News and I am Diksha Jaiswal with a special program Drinking Water Problem in Noida. In this program, we will discuss different aspects of drinking water in the city. People of Noida have a common water problem because the water supplied by administration or water department isn't it fit for drinking. This water can be used for washing clothes, bathing, washing vehicles and things like that. The main source of drinking water in Noida is jar water. How safe is this water? A team of NNC covered different aspects of the problem. Our reporter Prachi Bhatnagar tried to know the process of jar water.
We are here at Cool Blues Private Company, which provide mineral water to our society. Is this water pure? People are totally dependent on such companies like Sagar Beverages, Sheetal Water Supply and Azad Water Supply. Do they know this is illegally sold out in the market? The truth that hasn't been told yet, the mystery that is still unsolved. This business just need a site where they can filter out normal water and bearing labels of popular brands like Aqualine, Kingfisher and Bisleri and deliver them to the markets. Now let's find out the point of view of those people who have faith in jar business.
Noida city is known for some of its uniqueness. First one of them is Metro Link and second one is drinking water supply in the form of jar. Water like mineral water or we can say filtered water is in the demand in Noida city from the last many years. Noida people get water from Yamuna, but there are more than 15 water filtering plants and well-established equipments of this process. Most residents of elite Noida township are still drinking water that is unfit for drinking. This is the time when Noida claims that it has diluted Noida. In Noida, many complaints have been registered regarding polluted water. Why people can't use water directly from the main line? What is the reason behind it? Why Noida people waste money in purchasing drinking water jars? These all are the questions against Noida Development Authority and answers are remaining silent. As Noida has no option for drinking water, so people are totally dependent on jar water. Prachi Bhatnagar also talked to a consumer to know his opinion about the same water.
क्या आप जार वाटर का प्रयोग करते हैं?
हाँ जी, जार में करते हैं।
नॉर्मल ड्रिंकिंग वाटर के बावजूद आप जार वाटर का क्यों प्रेफर करते हैं?
एक्चुअली जो गवर्नमेंट का पानी आता है वो प्रदूषित होता है, वो फिल्टर करके नहीं देते हैं। ये पानी फिल्टर होता है और सेहत के लिए अच्छा है, वो नुकसान नहीं देगा, इसलिए हम ये पानी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
आप कब से यूज़ कर रहे हैं जार वाटर?
और 7-8 साल हो गए इस पानी इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं और औरों से भी करवाते हैं। औरों को बोलते हैं कि ये पानी इस्तेमाल करें। हाँ, संतुष्ट हैं क्योंकि हमारी सेहत के लिए अच्छा है, क्योंकि हम इस पानी को पियेंगे तो सेहत को नुकसान देगा और आगे जो बच्चे आ रहे हैं उनको भी नुकसान देगा। इस पानी से बहुत सारा नुकसान होता है। पानी खारा होता है, सबसे बड़ी बात है। नोएडा का पानी बहुत बेकार है, तो बाल भी धोते हैं, बाल भी खराब हो जाते हैं और सेहत भी खराब हो जाती है। कपड़े तो खैर खराब हो ही जाते हैं। सो इस वजह से हम ये पानी इस्तेमाल करते हैं और संतुष्ट हैं।
News of water company turning a blind eye to those who have faith in jar business. This water report must have their eyes open. Now let's see what will be the steps taken by Noida authorities of this tough issue of jar business. Prachi Bhatnagar with the camera person Vipin Yadav, NNC News, Noida.
After this report, it is clear that people of Noida prefer jar water in their homes. So many dealers exist in the market who are responsible for the delivery of jar door to door. Our reporter Komal Mishra have taken an interview of a family member who has prevailing problem of a jar water.
Today we will encounter a family of people who are trusting jar water that robbed them before their eyes, and this illegal water business is increasing day by day. I am talking about Drizzt Jar. There are a number of families in Noida who are trusting this business, but they are unaware of the fact that the water supplied to their homes is tap water. I am Komal Mishra, standing at Sector 61, Noida. Now I am going to talk to Subhadra Bhadoria on the same issue. You are using jar water.
See, I have been in Noida since last 6 years, and basically I'm a paying guest here, and I've stayed in many PGs here. So wherever I have stayed, it has always been this way that I've seen people using jar water. So it's been more than 6 years that I have been in contact with jar water, and I've been using it for more than 6 years. Yeah.
Is there any alternative for jar water?
Basically, Noida, I don't think there's an alternative because whatever the water supply in Noida which is there is actually a mix of groundwater and Ganga water. So the quality of water is not really good. We usually see that the water we get in supply is a hard water. I mean, that has a mix of magnesium and calcium. So even if we get ROs installed in our houses or in our offices, this water that is supplied, that leads to a deposit of soap on that pipeline or that water like RO system, or even on our faucets and washers that we use. So due to that deposit, we need to call a maintenance guy to get the things to get the system maintained again and again. So that is always a costly measure. So in order to overcome that cost and to take a cost effective option, jar water, I don't think people would like to replace, especially in Noida where the water is so hard.
Satisfied the water quality, or do you find any side effect?
Water quality so far is okay, because many people are using here, so they find it okay. And obviously, it is not as good as the branded water which we find like obviously in Bisleri or other brands. So it is not as good because you can easily identify the taste when you drink branded water and when you drink the jar water. So in that context, the quality is not good. But yeah, if you want to use for other purposes, you can always use it.
Do you think people will replace jar water with the branded water?
No, I don't think, because that is in no way, people would like to take something which is cost effective. And in Bisleri water, where you get 1 liter of water for 20 rupees, and in jar water, where you get 20 liters of water for 25 or 30 rupees. So obviously it is a better and a cost effective measure. So people would always like to go for cost effective thing and jar water than branded water, especially when they're using it on their daily purposes. So they cannot afford branded water to that extent.
Why Noida does not have water system like Delhi?
See, this is basically because of the infrastructure that Noida has, owing to various problems that the city is facing. Groundwater is depleting. Primarily, primarily Noida is a planned city. So the construction is going on everywhere. You go to Noida Extension, you talk about Noida or the other parts of the city. So what happens is groundwater is pulled and carried to these construction sites through water tanks. So now what happens, the groundwater is depleting, right? And due to which these issues are arising, like we are facing dearth of water, we are facing paucity of water. This is basically because the things that are happening in Noida, especially the infrastructure developments that are happening. And in Delhi, there is no such development that is happening because Delhi is a saturated city. It is basically the capital. It is developed, and Noida is developing. So it is facing lot of infrastructure growth and projects everywhere and around wherever we go. So what is happening is, though lot of groundwater that is pulled is not supposed to be delivered to the construction sites because that is an illegal activity. Government, according to National Green Tribunal Act, only that water which is sewage treated is supposed to be supplied to the construction site. But what builders and developers are doing, they are extracting the groundwater, getting it transferred to the construction sites and using that water for construction activities instead of using the sewage treated water. So this is one of the reasons why water issues and water crises are happening in Noida, especially even if you talk about Ghaziabad, though it is it's not a part of Noida, but it is an adjoining city. So many areas in Ghaziabad are encountering such activities, like they are they are having this illegal activities of water supply. And in Noida also there are many developers and builders who are getting indulged into such activities. So due to this, I don't think if this continues, Noida will ever be able to have something like Delhi. It will never be able to.
So this was one of the families of Noida which is victim of jar business. But unknowingly, there might be a lot of families who do not have a clue that money they are paying for jar water is actually water coming from tap. Komal Mishra with camera person Vipin Yadav, NNC News, Noida.
So this was an interview that focused the quality of water used by people of Noida. We came to know that most of the regions in Noida are receiving the water which is not well for health, and people in those regions are facing problems. So government should do something to maintain the purity of jar water. That's the end of the program. Keep watching NNC News.